Welcome back to my channel, Fatiko Ozu. On today's tutorial, what we'll be taking on is how to buy and sell USDT on P2P on Binance. A lot of people find it difficult to buy, a newbie rather, find it difficult on how to buy and purchase a coin on Binance and sell it back also. We all know that cryptocurrency is just meant for us to make money. Like we are doing crypto just to earn money for our the money we kept on Binance account or any exchanging site. Once a coin, you use the money to purchase, have risen to the above of maybe you invest like 20,000 naira and the 20,000 naira is now 100,000 naira. You know, we all need to remove, even if you want to remove the 20,000 naira, you want to remove more than that, there's a way you can remove it. You can't just go to Binance and be shouting at Binance, okay, Binance, give me my money. And also there is a way of there is a way of buying USDT, like paying input your naira, convert it to US dollar on Binance also. On today's tutorial, I will be guiding us on how to buy and how to sell on Binance P2P or today. So the only thing we need for this app is buy your Binance mobile app. Binance mobile app. Once you click on Binance mobile app, it will take you directly to the home page of the Binance account. This is what you are going to see. Firstly, once you click on home, there are two methods of going to P2P. You can click on more. Once you click on more, click on OK. Come straight to trade. Then click on P2P. There is another method. If you click on P2P, it's going to take it directly. It's going to ask you this thing. Just click on confirm. You have to confirm it, being that this is the first time of you trying to buy on Binance P2P. It will always request for this. Just click on mark I have given and agree, then click on continue, then click on continue also, click on OK, click on next. So once you are here, the current rate for USDT is $593 per dollar. So once you click on more, you click on P2P here, it will take you directly to this page. Then accept all the necessary things I told you need to accept. Once you click on them, you accept them. You know the amount of money you want to buy. You want to buy 1,000 naira, you want to buy 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira. You only know the amount of coin you are planning to buy. So presently, I think, okay, let me just go for this person. This thing is just meant for testing. I'll be buying 1,000 naira worth of USDT just for testing. Then I will show you how to sell it back also. So once you come here successfully, this is what they are selling on Binance P2P. They are selling USDT, they are selling BTC, they are selling BUSD. That means Binance stable coin, BNB, Binance coin, BNB coin, Ethereum, ETH, Ethereum, NG, and DAI. So we are buying USDT presently. Once you click on the trade and take it to this P2P page, all what you need to do is just come to this arrow. Let me show you the arrow I'm talking about. Come to this arrow. So here, sorry, just come to this arrow, change the arrow, change it to your country currency. It might not be NG, it might be Ghana, GH, that's Ghana cedis, Kenya, KES, NGN, Nigeria. Click it. It's going to show you the current rate they are trading USDT for your currency. So I told you are buying 1,000 naira worth of it just for testing. Let me go for this deal. This deal is still new. But let me just risk the 1,000 naira. Is nothing. Let me just risk it because I'm buying 1,000 just for testing. I don't need BTC presently. I don't know USDT presently. I just want to use it to run this tutorial. I don't see him again. Okay, this is him. Click on buy. Add update. Okay, let's refresh. The problem there about this page is that once you are not fast, it will keep telling, because people every time, even if it is midnight, people keep coming to this place and buy and sell. Once you slow, another person will pick up the order you are planning to pick. Okay, let me go for this guy, favorite boy. So there's one particular thing I want you to take note. Always take note of this rating of the person you are dealing with. Make sure the person have up to 90% or at least 80% rating, and it has done more than 100 successful trades. So please, it's very, very important just for you not to to victim of scammers. Please always check the rating and percentage of the amount of rating they have done in the past and their percentage rate. So let me go for this referral bot again. He has traded more than 191,183 and 94% people are favor of forge for him. Then I'm click on 1,000 naira and buy. Okay, let me go for 2,000. So that okay, 2,000. Let me go for 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira is equal to 3.3 USDT. Let me click on accept. Or 1,005 you can sell. Okay, no problem. Let me click on buy. Once you click on buy, no matching order. People have packed his fund. Wow. There's another thing about this place. You have to be fast. Okay, even is another. Okay, it is successful. Okay, it will show all this. Just click on it. Click on transfer fund. Click on OK. Once it comes to his details like this, just click on make payment. Next, OK. Click on OK. Then this is bank. Is using Kuda Bank. Sadiq Wasiu Adeleke. Just copy his. You can chat him up just for fast transaction. Hi, are you available? Available right now. I'm sending a payment now. Please confirm my order fast. So you can go on. You can just go back. Copy his account details, Kuda Bank. Let me send with my Kuda also. Go to your mobile app. This is your mobile app. Then send 1,000 naira. Select bank, Kuda, account number. Goose. You know, Nigeria government doesn't support anything related to a cryptocurrency again. Allow it to load. That is issue with Kuda network most times. Sorry, let me pause it. And once it went through, I'll come back. Okay guys, I've already transferred his money to him successfully. Once you send the money successfully, just go straight to Binance app and click on transfer, notify the seller. Just click on it. So Binance we notify him that someone has made payment. So proceed, sir. You can see. So Binance will notify him that someone have already made payment to him. Once he confirm the payment, and he release the coin, Binance will notify us that USDT, so amount of USDT has been. Okay, it is wow, I made a mistake. It is 1,500. I sent 1,000 naira. Oh, sorry. Let me send this remaining 500 naira. I made a mistake. The mistake is mine. Let me quickly copy his account number and send. I'm coming. Let me change the money again. So you could see the mistake I made is that I mistakenly sent 1,000 naira to him, but I've chatted him up and I've sent his balance and he has confirmed it. So just your payment has been received. The actual USD will be sent to your account. So he have confirmed it. So just waiting for Binance to officially show it. So once they show it, it will show on my account that it has been released to me, so that I can pay with it. Then I will show you how to withdraw it also. I will make a video on how to stake, how to use your USDT to buy coin later on. What's wrong with them? Let's wait till it confirm and drop the USDT in my account, then we can continue the video. I think it is Binance fault here. The coin has been released on my account. They sent me a confirmation on my email address now. Let me see if my my phone, my email will show it. Okay, this is it. P2P order. You could see your order. Let me show you. Oh, it's not showing. I will show you. You could see your order. That's the message. It has been complete successfully. So the money has been sent to my account. Let's see. Let's check for the money. Let's check for it in my portfolio. Sorry, I've had all my assets. Sorry, funding. It should be on funding. Yes, this is it. Once you successfully release your account. Okay, hold on, please. Spot USDT. Okay, hold on. Let me hide small balance so that I can get it. Freeze. Okay, sorry, there is one particular stuff I did. I will teach you guys later. You successfully purchase your USDT via P2P. The fund, once the guy releases the coin to you, the fund will be available on your funding account. Before you can make use of the coin, you have to make sure you transfer the coin from the funding account back to the spot account. It's only on the spot account you can be able to use the fund to buy any coin of your choice. So once you come to funding and you see your USDT you just bought on P2P, you see it on, you could see, let me erase this thing, you could see 2.48 that we bought earlier. Let me edit back. Just click on transfer, fund it to spot, take it out from BTC, click USDT. You have to click here inside this place, USDT. You could see, click on USDT, click on mass, click on confirm transfer. The fund will be transferred to your spot automatically. So let me come to my spot account, USDT. You could see this is the USDT I just sent from my funding account down to my spot account. So if I want to purchase anything now, I have to come to trade. You could see the USDT is available on trade. Then on spot, on trade, I have to search here and click on the coin I want to buy. So that is another day video, how to buy a coin on Binance account. I'll make the video for that also. So once you successfully purchase a coin, then how to sell. If you want to sell your coin, you have to make sure the fund is available on funding also. Just come here, click on transfer from spot to funding, USDT. The same way you move it down to, then click on confirm. It has transferred automatically. If you want to sell your coin, come to trade, click on P2P. Make sure you change this from this to your currency. You know I'm in Nigeria, then I have to choose Nigeria as my country. NGN, that's Naira Viati. So click on NGN, just click on OK, click on confirm, click on OK, then click on sell. Hold on, I just want to click on sell. Click on sell here. Click on sell. You can see the rate. Just okay. Trade now. You can see. So I'm selling 2.40 something, which is 1,005. Just come down to someone that need up to 1,000. You can see this savvy guy need up to 1,000 to 2,000. Then click on sell to him. Input the amount of USD you want to try, 2.40 something, 2.40. So 2.4. Let's say 2 points. Then you click on limit. Okay, is even okay. 2 points. Click on payment method. I don't add my bank yet. You add your bank. This is my name. Put your account number. So bank name. Your bank name. I got you see my name. So bank like GTB. Then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will automatically take you next to the next page on your bank will be showing here. Then you click on sell without zero fees. Then you'll be waiting for the guy. Then you can message him the same way we did when we were trying to buy fund. Then where I message the guy, that's the method you are going to do. Also you can chat him up that I'm available. You can make your payment. Once he successfully send money to you, confirm to your mobile app, then you release his coin to him. So that's all on how to fund your Binance account and how to sell your coin back. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, give me a like, share with friends, family and friend, then comment on the comment. The comment help. You just inspire me to make the video that will be educative like this. So if you are new to my channel and this video brought you here, please subscribe to my channel. I teach people how to make money online, cryptocurrency related, affiliate marketing. So in every way to make money online, that's what I am teaching people on my channel, arbitrage also. So thank you guys.